It's a 2016 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rearview mirror, integrated navigation system, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.